Hello and welcome to AmeriWealthMembers.com. This is Jesse Hartnett. I want to give you a tutorial on how to use the website. There's a lot here and I want to make sure you get the most out of it. So let's hop right in. This is our home page, and so we need to log in to get access to all the neat stuff inside. So let's go ahead and do that. By now you've all received your login credentials, your username and your password. So you just pop that right in here. Now when we log in, it's going to take us to our main dashboard. This is our dashboard. This is where you interact with the community. It's where the community interacts with you. It's where you receive all of your messages and things like that. So right up top, it's welcoming me. We can come over here and customize the dashboard. There's several ways to do that. I'll show you an easier way than clicking in through here, but you can do in there. You can click in here and customize it through there as well. Underneath it, there's a this is our announcement section, and as we post things in here, you'll see it from time to time, and we're going to change it a lot. There's going to be a lot of different things coming through here, but you'll see there'll usually be a headline, a little brief write-up, and then you can click here and see the rest of what we have going on. In this case, we've posted a video to get you a little bit pumped up and let you know what's going on here. So that's your announcement section. You'll be spending a lot of time as you log in. You'll see the new announcements and click through and check them out. Now, anytime you want to get back to that dashboard, if you're in any of these modules up here, simply go to your home, scroll down to the bottom, and hit dashboard. It'll take us right back to where we're at when we first log in. Underneath of announcements, you have your main dashboard area, and you'll see in here there's a lot of different things you can do. What you're going to spend a lot of time doing probably is posting to your wall, almost like Facebook. I mean, it really is just like Facebook. This is where you do like a status post. It's asking me what's on my mind. Well, I'm going to tell everybody what I'm doing. Making the AmeriWealth navigation video for all of our cool members. Awesome. Because I'm very excited to make this video for you guys, and I want to share that with the whole world. So there we go. We did that. Said anybody's familiar with Facebook knows how to do that, and you'll do well with it. You can post anything you want, links, things of that nature. You want to get even more high tech with what you're trying to do here, making posts. You can add a new business to our directory, write a blog post, create an event, create a group, upload a picture, create a poll, do a quiz, share links to videos. It's all done right in here on your main dashboard. Now once you do and you post something, say you shared a video, and then maybe the video shared is out of date, or you found out that you had your shirt on backwards in the video or something, you want to take it down, you'd come over here, and this is where you manage the things that you posted. So post over here, manage over here. That's simple. Next to it, we have our notifications section. This is where we find out what's going on. This is where people interact with us. This is where we're notified when someone interacts with us on the membership. You can see Carmen likes to send me messages all day long. Nancy sent me a couple messages. I think she's asking for pictures of my new baby Isaac, but I sent them to her already, so she's good. But you know what I'm saying. This is where you would find out who's trying to get a hold of you. Down here you have the update section. You see it's just recently updated. Now if you were connected with me, you would also see this in your update section. I just updated my status to say that I'm making the video for all you guys. Now I'm going to click over here. I'm going to say that I like that. I voted that it's cool, and then I want to I'm not going to comment on my own post, but I could if I wanted to. I'll show you how to do that on the next post. I could delete it. Say I spelled something wrong, or I just said something that didn't make any sense for some reason, or I thought something that isn't quite right. I would delete my post right here. Okay, you see, here's where people are interacting. These are two of my connections, Carmen and Jeff. Jeff just joined the community because I brought him in for us. And then Carmen is connecting with Jeff, saying, welcome to AmeriWealth. Look forward to meeting you. Anything I can do to help, I'm here for you. Carmen, right? So I think that's cool. Carmen's a good guy, so I voted that I like that. Now I want to comment on that. Here we go. What are we going to say? Now we have a WYSIWYG editor here. You can change around some of the things. We'll get into that. Let's just type something real quick. Yeah, Jeff. Oops. That's awesome. Great to see you here. All right. Now I want to say that that's awesome. So I'm just going to bold that out here. Maybe italicize it, underline it. And if I want to get real crazy, now when you start to learn about embedding videos, some guys already probably know about how to do that kind of stuff, but you can switch to the HTML editor and actually embed code to put pictures and videos and different kind of funny little things into your post. It's kind of an upgrade over and above what Facebook does for you. You can't really do that with them, so you could do that here. So you'll see that as people get used to it, you're going to see some very creative wall posts on our website. Now I'm done, so I'm just going to comment, and now you see I've joined Carmen and Jeff's conversation. Now we're all involved. You can come in, you can comment too. You would join our conversation on Carmen's wall post to Jeff. And that's how social media evolves. That's how it works. I'm talking, Carmen's talking to Jeff, I jump in, I got something, I chime in with what I got to say, you come in, we hear what you have to say, and now we're all talking. That's social media at its best. Next to that, you have the shout box feature. Now yours might be configured a little bit differently, because watch what I can do. Now say I want my shout box, which is like our Twitter feature, and I want that up near the top of the page so that I can do shout box, which is like micro blog posts, and I can do my wall post right next to each other. You can change around where you want any of these things to go, up or down. Alright, you can move anything. I can switch this up here. I want my updates before I post anything. Drag that up. Well, I guess the dashboard's going to take precedence over anything else. But you can, you know, everything moves around. Let's move that one down. Get rid of that. Oh, well, it's being tricky with me, but you'll see how to do it. Now you want to, and if you want to really get into a heavy level of customization of what's going on your dashboard, you can click up in here and customize dashboard. A ton of features. Organize it any way you want. But this is a wall post. This is a micro blog, like I said. So you got Facebook over here and Twitter over here. So welcome to the shout box. There you go. Now that's added to our micro feed, and you'll see a lot of activity over here as we start to get a ton of members. People like the shout box. It's just a quick hitter, and you can get a. It's almost like an online chat room where anybody who's logged in can join in the conversation at any point in time. Pretty cool feature. Down further, you got your friends. You can, like I say, you can move that up if you want. You can organize the tops. I got 6 people up here. You could have, I think you can put up to like 32 people up here, but you know, I'm sticking with 6. So, you know, these 6 people, I know them pretty good. It's going to be tough to knock them off, but you know, impress me, and you know, I'll stick you up here. You get on my top friends list, and you'll see what happens to you, because as this thing grows, a lot of people are going to be dealing with me, and I'll be a very popular person on here. I don't know if you've noticed, but I have a lot of activity points, and that's huge. So you can post bulletins. When people have birthdays, you'll be notified in here. You can send them birthday cards and do all kind of fun stuff. What's new section, these are new blog posts. We can click over to photos and see the latest photos that have been posted to the site, see the newest polls and videos, etc. See who's logged in recently, and then look at your site statistics. How many connections? I have 98 people that are connected with me. I've done a few blog posts, uploaded a couple pictures, and so forth. That brings us up to the top. This is your main navigation screen up here. Now you'll see one thing that I have that you do not have. Now I am the administrator on the website, one of them anyway. There are several administrators, and I just happen to be one of them. So I have this admin screen. You do not have that, but you have the rest of these things for your enjoyment.